Hello, it's Claire from South Derbyshire District Council's Environmental Education Project at Rostiston Forestry Centre, and today we're in the garden. It's autumn, all the leaves are falling off the trees, and we're going to make something, a tasty treat for all the birds to keep them going through the winter. Now for this, all you need is a pine cone, some string, a pair of scissors to cut the string, some bird seed, which I've tipped onto the tray here, and some fat or lard. You can get vegetarian version of this. And today I've got a helper that's going to come and help us make this.
Hi.
And here is an example of our final pine cone feeder. Rowan's already made that.
Yeah.
So the first thing you need to do is get your pine cone and cut some string, and you might want to I've already tied a piece onto the string, onto the pine cone already. It can be a bit tricky. Rowan, here's your pine cone.
Thank you.
I'm going to cut a little bit of the lard off. Okay, and I'm going to cut it into little squares. Okay, little small pieces. Just little pieces like that. Okay, and then what you need to do is squish that into your pine cone. So squish the little bits of lard into the pine cone. You can use the knife if you want to, or you can use your hands. So we're going to squish that into the pine cone, and then you're going to roll it into the seeds. So you get your lard and you pop it in to the pine cone, and then however you want to, you're going to squish those seeds into the lard or the vegetable fat and give it a good coating. And the idea is to cover the whole of your pine cone. There we go. So putting lots of seeds on there, keep the birds going. With our finished pine cone, you can either hang it up in a tree on the fence, or if you've got a bird feeder station, you can hang it up on there. You're going to put that on there, Rowan, for me. So we've made a hoop or a loop in the string so that you've got somewhere to hang it from. So we've made a loop or a hoop in the string. So I hope you've enjoyed our little activity and you've had a go at making a pinecone bird feeder. Show us some of your pictures of what you've made and been up to over autumn. We'd love to see your autumnal photographs. Until next time, bye.
Bye.